Bro, people can just walk up to us and we wouldn't even know. If he didn't say anything, we wouldn't have known he was coming. So we just gotta be very careful. That is a prime example. Somebody can just come up, and he was friendly. Imagine if somebody wasn't. All right, let's hurry up and set this tent up. On this. Oh. Sorry.
Sorry.
You scared me for a second. Sorry.
What are you guys up to tonight?
Just cooking. Okay. What the fuck? Bro, people can just walk up on us. My heart just beat, bro. Bro, I didn't even hear him. Bro, okay, we gotta be careful tonight, bro. That's the second person that walked up on us. There's a dog. There's a dog. Huh? What the? Oh, hello. You friendly? Oh, okay. As long as he didn't bite us. He's more scared of us than we scared of him. So, we decided on the menu tonight, we're gonna have beef baked potatoes. Since we're living up here in the mountains, we don't need to wash them. More minerals, more electrolytes. Now we got the potatoes baking in here. As you guys can tell, you can hear the sizzling, so that means they're starting to cook. Can potatoes explode?
Aren't you supposed to like poke them with like a fork?
Oh. We're in Slab City, it don't matter. I think we're cooking this on low medium. I guess that's what also being out here teaches you. More patience, because whenever I'm at home and I cook, I put it to the maximum. Doesn't look bad. Now we just gotta get the potatoes and everything. What's up, Bella? If you guys didn't know, this is Bella.
That's my road dog.
First potato up. Is it good?
Straight up, dude.
Okay. All right, this is gonna be my time trying this. That's hot.